Wake up to the sun, new day has begun. Dreams come on the run, we shine like we're one. City lights fade out, dreams ain't filled with doubt. We scream, we shout, fighting our own route. Dawn comes like breaks of night, rise up side by side. Hold tight, we'll ride the tide, feel the world collide. Dawn comes, hearts come alive, in this dawn we thrive. Stand tall, we won't divide, in the morning we survive. Chasing all our dreams, life ain't what it seems. Brighter light it beams, cutting through the seams. Stars start to hide in the night.